gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and
Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro just launched before a few days ago. There's this amazing and super affordable tablet with really great specs. It comes with a bunch of features that you won't believe at its price. Xiaomi even launched some useful accessories for this tablet. Today, I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with unboxing. So, here's the big box of Redmi Pad Pro. Opening the lid, the first thing you see is the Redmi Pad Pro itself. It's pretty large with a huge 12.1-inch display, available in gray color. Looking at the design, the camera module is similar in shape to the Redmi Turbo 3. And hey, Redmi Turbo 3 just got launched yesterday, and I've already uploaded an unboxing and review video where you can see lots of AI features of the phone. Now, back to the design of this pad. The camera module looks similar, but here you'll find an 8-megapixel camera in one circle and a flash in another. The frame of this pad is plastic. At the bottom, you'll spot the Dolby Vision Atmos logo along with 2 speakers, and there's the power button. Here, you get 2 speakers, so that makes it a total of 4 speakers. And look, you've got the Type-C port and the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is pretty rare to find these days. Notice how they're placed slightly lower and not centered, which looks a bit odd. Now, let's start up this Redmi Pad Pro. The specs this time are pretty good. You get a Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 processor, which should give decent performance for everyday use. You can also do gaming on medium settings. Plus, it's equipped with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage. This tablet runs on Xiaomi HyperOS, which is based on Android 14. The screen is bigger this time, with a 12.1-inch LCD display and a 2.5K resolution. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, transitions on the display will be super smooth, and it can go up to 600 nits brightness. Gorilla Glass 3 protects the display, and the company claims it comes with good eye protection certified by SGS. Looking at the other accessories for this tablet, you get a protected case that comes with a keyboard. However, the protected case feels a bit heavy. Interestingly, there's no connecting pin visible on the keyboard, so it likely connects via Bluetooth. Then there's the Redmi stylus, available in white color, resembling Xiaomi's second-generation pen. Unlike some other tablets, this stylus doesn't attach magnetically to the tablet. It doesn't support wireless charging, and for the keyboard, there's a Type-C port for charging. Once you attach the cable, a green light comes on. There's also a sliding switch to turn on the keyboard, and a pop-up appears on the screen for Bluetooth device connection, making it easy to connect. As for the stylus pen, it charges via a Type-C port too, with a light coming on once you attach the cable. By the way, this stylus has good latency, you don't notice much delay. As for the Redmi Pad Pro, it packs a 10,000 mAh battery and comes with a 33W charger for charging. Even after charging the battery 1,000 times, it retains 80% of its capacity. Talking about the price, the base variant starts at 14.99 Chinese yuan in China, which translates to around £170 in the UK or $211 in the USA. I'll be bringing a detailed review of this tablet soon, so stay connected with our channel. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.